My camera.
Oh, don't take
I'd like you to sit next to me after I take a seat.
Oh, you know what? I came to be the greeter today.
Okay, well, when you're done greeting. And that is Robin we see going in.
Oh, gosh.
She's a good person. I'm making a whole bunch of short videos.
Oh my gosh.
When someone is greedy.
You know, I missed it. That's when Reverend Patty was saying about things to do, and since I'm not doing print travel anymore, I was like, okay, I really missed that.
Yeah.
And I really missed when it was a little lady that used to stand at the door, and I always felt good seeing her.
Well, it's also about being of service, you know?
Absolutely,
Give
absolutely.
you
Finding
back.
something to do. Something you feel like you
Contribute.
Robin, say a few words.
Say a few words.
Okay, yeah, that's Robin. A very
Don't
good
put me
lady.
on the internet.
I usually upload my
Oh my God.
videos to my YouTube page.
Oh my goodness. Well, don't put my name on there just so, so I won't be.
I just mentioned your name and microphone
Well, go ahead. I
picked
guess
up
it's
whatever
cool.
sounds are happening.
Oh.
Built-in microphone.
Here are the scales.
Hey Jay, how are you?
Getting short videos.
You got your third eye out, huh?
Right.
Or extended eye. Extended third eye.
I just wonder if I brought any batteries with me. I mean, extra ones.
That's the thing. Yeah, you have to remember batteries with those cameras.
I think I got 2 of them in there at least.
One, two, three.
All right, let's get Reverend Patty here. Yeah, Reverend Patty is using her camera, and I think I'm going to be the winner since I'm making a short video right this second.
Yeah.
That'll do it.
And get those 2. Look this way too. Yeah, you're looking good. Only I'm getting all your movements and your smiling faces.
Well, there we go.
Making a short video.
Well, there we go.
Yeah.
Get a video of us.
Times and everything.
Turn it on. Yeah, getting Charles setting up.
At 7 a.m. At 9:30 a.m. I was drenched. But my temperature was not good.
What kind of camera you got there, Jay?
A Canon digital camera.
Okay.
I'm using the video setting. Making a video. Showing all these smiling faces here.
Well, Patty, what have you done with my water bottle?
On your desk.
Say a few words.
Oh, yeah. That's
You have 11 or 12? 11. And when I lost it, the funny thing was is that when I lost well, I was coming in at 11, but it was funny when I dropped all the weight, I lost my weight. So, water, it was, so I always wore. You're going to see a lot of everything.
Heidi.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You're inside out.
Great. Welcome back.
I just want to thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I just want to thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I just want to thank you. I just want to thank you. I just want to thank you, Lord.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Unity of Ann Arbor.
Come on
So
in.
glad to see you
Get
all
in
this
short
morning.
video.
I see one person I haven't seen for a while. It's nice to see her back with us. And thank you, Charles and Jen. Looking forward to hearing whatever you're doing today. I'm Nancy Ball, and I'm your worship assistant today. And I'm also your
everything must change. Nothing stays.
Wow, that was very soulful. Let's see here. So we're to the last step in the book we've been looking at, the Lazarus Blueprint. It's number 6. It's called Drop the Old Road. We have a little background first. So when steam engines were new and they were getting to where they could go very fast, some people were afraid that if they went over 30 miles an hour with humans on them, the human body would just explode. So it took some courageous people to have to be riders on them when they were trying higher speeds. And another example of kind of a misbelief is when George Washington was ill. He had a sore throat, and the doctors of his day thought that that could mean there were bad humors inside, and the way you got rid of that was by letting blood out. And this did not cure him, this killed him. So, you know, our beliefs, Lazarus was sick. And Jesus days before he decided to go to Bethany where Lazarus was. And in that process, Lazarus died. So the turn away part is Jesus, instead of acting like this is a huge drama and rushing, turned away from all the negativity that was being told to him and did his own thing and then went. So we're invited to turn away from the negativity in our lives. Now, if there's something that needs attention, the tip is not, well, pretend it's not there and it's going to go away. The tip.
Practice power stances. Open up your breathing to become receptive. You notice that when you slouch, everything is compressed and nothing is working as we would like it to. For those of you who don't know, I've been out of commission for a month. I spent 11 days in the hospital bedridden. And they tell me that for every day that you're in bed, it can take 3 to 7 days for your muscles to come back. I haven't counted the day I'm on, but I'm thankful to be upright. When it was time for me to leave, we discovered that I couldn't walk. So I had to learn to walk in therapy. And it's very humbling when your mind says, put your foot forward, but you're not quite sure if your body is going to support you.
My life and my heart is open wide. Yes, I'm only here for God. No more struggle, no more strife. With my faith I see the light. I am free in the spirit. Yes, I'm only here for God. I release, I let go. I let the spirit run my life, and my heart is open.
So now it's time to bless our church home. Will the ushers please come forward? And please say with me our prayer together. Divine love through me blesses and multiplies all that I have, all that I give, and all that I receive. As I open my hands to give, I open my heart to receive. Thank you, God. God is the source of all desired good. Every desire of unity of Ann Arbor is fulfilled through the perfect manifestation of divine abundance. Grateful hearts say, thank you, God. We receive with gratitude and give with joy.
How about the day that you have off school?
So you're looking for Sissy? There's Sissy
So
over
you
here.
have the whole day.
Hello. You're looking for Dad. Did you guys need change?
Hey, Ben.
We're paying for just you, right?
Yeah.
Priya, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Very good. Get Ben on my video.
It's a video or?
Video.
Okay.
I love it.
And get your nice
So exciting.
baby there.
This is Janae.
Yeah.
She's 20 months old. This is
Get
Riley.
you
She's
too.
9 years old.
Yeah. Yeah. You're on this video I'm getting.
I got a lot of friends there. Yeah,
Let's get some
probably
food.
everybody there. Yeah, listen. I mean, most of those guys.
Thank you.